Hey traders, the market was bearish today and I want to do a walkthrough of the second trade that I took for 10 points on the ES. This video is intended for traders who are learning the bacon trading tools and system. It's also for curious traders who'd like to make a decision about whether this is something that's right for them. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, so this is a screen capture of the market as the trade was developing. I wanted to show how the trade developed before I entered it so you could get some commentary about my thoughts and what I was doing. Now before we get into this, these charts can look very confusing. There are a couple of them that are available to you and some resources that I really want you guys to know about. So if you'll head over to BaconTrading.com, go to the live charts, scroll down, click Bacon Charts. A lot of these charts, or some of the charts you can find here, these are streaming and they update in real time. Another resource that I think is very important for traders to go and understand is go to Indicators and Tension, and this is a document for tension, so you can understand how to put together trends and structure and things like that. It'd be very helpful to know what the market's doing. That being said, let's go back to the video. Now, the most important chart here is tension up in the top corner. That is the market structure. So first we get structure, then we look for trend traders, and then we get our execution. And there are lots of little parts and pieces to each one of those steps, but in general, those are the three steps that I'm looking for. Our structure, bearish. How do we know that? You can see tension stayed down for 2 days, and third day you can see it stayed down, bearish. What do the entries look like? The first entry today had, well, you can't really see it sort of up here, but decay pushed positive for a moment. There's one little green bar right there, and then it got sold off aggressively, and that was the first time I knew that there were bears trading the market. Now, what am I keying into right here so you can see this as it develops? I'm looking at the velocity number right here. What I'm wanting to see is velocity get to 0 or 1 or something to bring in a positive number. That's a bullish idea in a bearish structure. And I want to see the market sell that bullish liquidity, or the against the buyers. They want to use them as liquidity. That's what I'm looking for. So my structure lets me know which side to look for. I track whether there's trend traders in the market or not over time. Whether I trade it or not, I track it. And then I look for an execution point, and I do that. So let's look at how this developed. I'm going to push this along, right? Oh, I executed it. Okay, so let me show you right here what I was looking at. So you can see I have my mouse over the market here. And let me pause it for a second and show you what I'm keying into. You see this number right here? I was waiting for it to say 0 or positive or something like that, because that brings in bulls to generate liquidity for the trend. So when I saw that, I was very much considering where I wanted to fill. Oh, okay, so I got in, and just to make that clear, I got in because this number said 0 in a bearish trending market. It was an opportunity to use bulls as liquidity, and that's why I filled. Why did I pick my stop loss? Well, I took a look at the charts, and that looked like a good spot to me. We had some prices and some things in different spots. Now I set a 10-point take profit. That's the standard that I've been using for these videos, because it's a nice square number, really. So let's take a look. This trade did make me sweat, so I'll let you guys watch me sweat bullets here. So it pushed up pretty aggressively, and yeah, I didn't like that at all. There was something going on in the market, but the analysis was still good. I want you to notice what's going on with momentum. We have +4, so it sort of pushed up, came down. I'm already drawing it in the air. It pushed up. I'll make this bigger. It looked like this. It pushed up over 0, has come back, and is looking like this. And any trader should know that pattern looks like a retest. Now, I still don't think the market is bullish, but I am interpreting that as bulls definitely fighting here, but they're supposed to be. I'm looking for them as liquidity. This is a great bearish market. So I held my position. And I'll fast forward a little bit so you can see this. Okay, so right here, I want you to key into this, -2. You could see it got up and crossed over, and we're starting to see price move down. So this is looking like bearish trend traders are here. Bearish trend traders use bullish ideas to generate the liquidity they need to drive the trend. So you could see that's what happened here. And as soon as we had that pull back down, I felt a lot more comfortable that the bears had just pulled in a few more longs for liquidity. So then we fast forward down, and there wasn't much in the way here. So you could see I want to structure this so that you can understand how I found these trades. Is first you get market structure, that's the tension tool. Then you look for trend traders. That's decay, momentum, new highs and new lows down at the bottom. This one down here. And some other tools, or any tools that you have really would work fine. And then you need to use money management, where you always have a stop loss. Because good money management always ends up being a component of good trades. It's just always true. If you're patient, typically you'll get what you want. You'll miss a trade here and there, but that's fine. You want good money management, nice clear head when you get into and out of the trade. So fast forward a little bit more here. There it was. Okay, so boop, it took it out. So again, just to be clear, structure, trend traders, entry. That was the way that I took this trade. That was the way I managed it. If you have questions or comments about this, just leave comments down below or communicate with me any way you can. I hope this helps showing you guys the trades and trying to give you some commentary as I walk through. As always, good luck trading.